Get this, I'm going to tell you right now. I unboxed this, undid everything. This is where the feet or the grippers are. So you want to stick the grippers this way and wrap it around this way. Now, when you're ready to use it, hold on, put it in the middle, stick it through here. There we go. And then just stick it. There we go. That is the easiest way to do it. Actually, it's a little tight. Let's loosen it. That is my new cooking feature. Start it, stop it. Let's see. The red one is for taking a photo. The gray one is starting a video. Look, we started a video. That's our first video we're shooting. Then we want to stop it, press it again, and we're done. Nice feature. This was, the second I seen it, I was like, I gotta have it. So that's how you use this, how you install this. That was the main feature in purchasing this. Thank you again, YouTube, Google, whoever.